Hey everyone, I'm making this video because I've encountered a problem with my AR. I'm not sure if this is a common problem, but I recently heard from my gunsmith that you're not supposed to shoot steel casings or steel case ammo out of an AR-15 because the majority of AR-15s are made of aluminum, and if you don't know, steel is considerably more dense or harder than aluminum. So the problem that I had, if you had seen any of my other previous videos, I was shooting steel cased ammo out of my AR, and when I would shoot the ammo, it would fire a single round, extract the bullet, feed the next bullet, and then fail to fire the next bullet. My local gunsmith told me that he thinks it might have been the ammo, but I'm just not. I find it really strange that the AR was doing that. That it would feed a bullet and not fire it. So I'm gonna take this thing apart, and y'all can take a look at the bolt carrier and the bolt and whatnot. If there's any inconveniences on the video, please excuse me, because I'm using my cell phone as my video camera. So, first of all, you got your carrier pins. You got your rear carrier pin. You just push that out. And mind you, this is a Olympic Arms AR-15. So a lot of people have said bad things about it, but if you're shooting brass cased ammo, I've only had like one problem with it. But let's pull this bolt out of here, bolt carrier. So here's my bolt carrier and my bolt. And let's see. Get this pin out of here. There we go. You just push this thing back. Take that firing pin out. Rotate that to the side. Alright. So here's my bolt. And I clean this thing on a regular basis. I've taken the extractor out. I've considered buying the BCM extractor upgrade kit, which I've seen videos where that kit, the spring that comes in that kit increases the tension on the extractor, so it makes it easier for it to extract steel casings. I watched a video of this guy that was talking about how brass casings differ from steel casings, and I won't take the time to explain that, but like I said, it's better to just shoot brass casings through your AR rather than the steel casings. But I've bump fired this gun with brass casings, no problem. The only problem I've had with this gun was anytime I shot like Tull ammo out of it. Like I said, it would fire the round and then feed the next bullet and then fail to fire the next bullet. What would happen was it would feed the next bullet and then the hammer would drop like so, but the bullet wouldn't fire. And it was very picky on when it would fire that. So I'm just looking for any advice, or if anybody has had the same issues or whatnot. I'd really enjoy hearing some feedback of similar issues. And like I said, my gunsmith told me, and I've heard from many other AR owners, that you're not supposed to shoot steel out of it, which I haven't shot steel out of it just because of this issue. But leave me your comments, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching, guys. Alright, bye.